Have you ever found yourself juggling two roles at once? Maybe you started as a Scrum Master, but now you're handling product owner responsibilities too. Or you're a business analyst moonlighting as a product owner, or a Scrum Master, or a project manager. I'm thinking about, we'll call him Mike. I've never met anybody named Mike from India, but we shall call him Mike for the sake of this example. When I joined a large financial firm, I had the pleasure and opportunity to work with Mike. Mike at the time was acting as a Scrum Master. Mike was hired as a business analyst. Mike is now the project manager. And for the last 6 months before I got on board, Mike was acting as the Scrum Master. When I asked Mike how much money he was making, of course, after we built the relationship with each other, months later, Mike, how much money do you make? Well, Mike told me, my mouth hit the floor. What? And of course, I began to help Mike to get out of that situation. Or you are a developer acting as a Scrum Master or a product owner. You are hired for one job, but somehow you're doing the work of many without the extra pay. It sounds like you already acting like a serial Scrum Master, carrying the weight of multiple roles, driving projects to success, but the only thing missing is the compensation that truly reflects your hard work and versatility. That's where we step in. Welcome to the Serial Scrum Masterclass, where we recognize your efforts and know you deserve more. Are you ready to match your paycheck with your capabilities? If so, let's unlock the true value of your multifaceted role. The Serial Scrum Masterclass is the next big leap in your Agile career. I am Grand Scrum Master Scott, and I've guided countless professionals to millionaire status, and I'm here to guide you from being a skilled Scrum practitioner to become a celebrated leader in the Agile world. But Scott, celebrated by whom? I'm so glad you asked that question. Your team, because you fostered an environment where everyone is making impactful contribution. Your organization, because your team is delivering amazing value. Your family, because you're happier, you appear to have no stress. Your significant other, because of the person that you are becoming, and all the money that's reflected in your bank account. You're here because you know there's more to your Scrum career than daily stand-ups. Is that what you call it? Daily Scrum, right? Exactly. You ready to expand your influence, skyrocket your income, and truly make an impact. Let me ask you this. Why do you work? No, really. It's not a trick question. Why do you work? I don't know about you, but I work for money. That's not the only reason I work, but that is certainly in the top 2 reasons of why do I work. To build wealth for my family. I put my skill set out there in the marketplace, and in exchange for that, I get compensation. I hope you do the same. Think of it another way, that you are the CEO of you. If you're a great CEO, then certainly your income and your revenue should be growing year over year. Are you making the same today as you did last year? If you are, then would you say that you are a great CEO? Because all things grow. Is your income growing? Is your revenue growing? Maybe we need to take a look at that mirror and see, hey, what's going on here? Would you continue to keep you employed for that company if year over year your income or your revenue is not increasing? I don't think too many CEOs would be in that position if their income and if the company's revenue was flatlined. Don't think so. Why do you work? Let's keep it 1 million with each other, please. One of the top reasons should be money, 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 money. to increase your income or revenue. To increase your income or revenue confirms that you are being a great steward of your talents. The Serial Scrum Masterclass isn't just another course. It's a transformative experience designed for Scrum professionals who are serious about scaling their careers, expanding their leadership abilities, and multiplying their earnings potential. Why choose this masterclass? Because in a field where knowledge is widespread, the real game changer is application. We bridge theory with practice, pushing you beyond the basics into the realm of high-impact Agile leadership. Are you ready to become a financial success story, an Agile innovator, a leader in your field? Join us at the Serial Scrum Masterclass. Let's redefine success together. Your journey to the top of the Agile world and financial independence start now. Are you ready to elevate your Scrum mastery and unlock your true earning potential? If so, apply at the bottom of this page to potentially join us in the Serial Scrum Masterclass, and let's make your career aspirations a reality. Your journey to success, mastery, and millions starts right now.